If you want to start researching featured snippet opportunities, this video is exactly what you need. Featured snippets are those top positioned boxes that show up at the top of Google search results, and they're a great way to get extra visibility. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to research featured snippet opportunities like a pro, so you can boost your chances of securing them for your content. First things first, to research featured snippet opportunities, you need to find what search queries could potentially trigger those snippets. Start by looking at the People Also Ask section for keywords that relate to your content. These are often the exact phrases that show up in featured snippets. By targeting questions that frequently appear here, you'll have a good chance of appearing in a featured snippet box. Once you've identified those questions, check which ones are ranking in the top positions on Google. This is where you'll want to focus your efforts. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to find out what pages are already ranking for those terms. Then, take a close look at how those pages are structured. What kind of content do they have? Is it a paragraph, list, table, or a video? Understanding this will help you tailor your content to match what Google wants to feature in a snippet. Next, analyze the snippet itself. If you want to win that featured snippet, your content needs to answer the question in a clear, concise, and direct manner. Look for patterns in the snippets that are already ranking. Are they using bulleted lists? Are they answering questions in under 50 words? This will give you a blueprint for creating your own content that fits the snippet format. Remember, your answer needs to be precise, but also informative enough that it satisfies the search intent. Don't forget to monitor the search results. Once you've optimized your content for a featured snippet, track its performance. Use tools like Google Search Console to see if your pages are starting to rank in these snippets. You might have to tweak your content a couple of times to perfect it. By now, you should have a good idea of how to research featured snippet opportunities. Here's a quick recap. Find the right questions, analyze the current snippets, structure your content for clarity, and track your progress. This process will give you a much better shot at earning those valuable featured snippets. One key takeaway: researching. Featured snippet opportunities is all about identifying the right search queries, creating the best content that matches what Google wants, and constantly optimizing and monitoring your results. Follow these steps, and you'll improve your chances of landing those prime positions at the top of search results. And before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of my recommended tool in the description below. It's available only for viewers of my channel, and it's a great way to follow along and dive deeper into your research. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.